The following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit.
Today, our country is in a state of outrage and disbelief because we all witnessed the beating of a nurse, a female nurse, by a Jamaican man, kicking her in her head because they had a car accident, a fender bender. And this is happening on World Family Day, when we should be able to celebrate family as the foundation of our society. But this is not to be so for Jamaica, because we have developed a brutal pattern of violence against women and children, and it demands an uncompromising response. We cannot celebrate family in a society where our women and children do not feel safe. And all of this comes on the backdrop of the current trial of Constable Noel Maitland for the alleged murder of Donnelly Donaldson, which continues to expose the deep fractures in how we value women's lives. And only a week ago, the nation was again in a state of disbelief as we struggled to process the brutal rape and murder of 9-year-old Kelsey Farragon by a recently released sex offender. A horrifying consequence of a broken system for monitoring and rehabilitation. And now the country is searching for a missing female University of Technology student. These are not isolated incidents. They are symptoms of a deep societal crisis where violence is normalized. And while we commend our police for their swift arrest in a road rage incident and their response in the wake of Farragon's murder, law enforcement alone cannot manage this situation. We must go beyond outrage and hashtag. We must transform our mindsets. Too many men still equate masculinity with domination and violence. That mindset must die for our daughters to live. I'm urging all of us to raise our voices together, not just in mourning, not just in outrage, but in unrelenting advocacy. We need a Jamaica where speaking up for women and children is not a risk, but a responsibility. Where silence is not the price of survival. And where every girl grows up knowing that her body is hers alone. And where men and women choose to live together in harmony with respect, love, and where we choose to value each other. If we say we believe in family, then we must believe in justice, safety, and dignity for every woman and every child. We must strive for respect and love between our men and women. I am calling for this in the wake of the harrowing statistics released by Superintendent of Sissoko, revealing that more than 3,000 sexual offences were reported against over 2,100 children between January 2023 and May 2025. And of the 333 cases already reported this year, rape, grievous sexual assault or sexual intercourse with a child under 16 accounted for 76% of the cases. This is not just a national crisis. This is a national disgrace. Behind every number is a name. A child robbed of their safety. A woman robbed of her dignity. A family left. We cannot cause social transformation. We cannot have the transformed Jamaica unless we address this. Time comes.
And visit our website at pnp.org.jm or check us out on Facebook at Jamaica PNP.